She's eating her people. You know, a typical day at the Johnston house. And she's yelling at them. Maybe she thinks it's a microphone. Oh, your people. So fun. She's talking a lot lately. Oh my gosh. One at a time. One at a time. Don't eat them. Does he taste delicious? Oh my goodness. Oh. Good job. Good job. Pick it up. Good girl. So many things to play with. So many little things to play with. Sonora. Sonora. Just too engrossed in all her toys. Doing so good. Bye, Sonora. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Get rid of all those toys.